A Solar Energy Guide. Chapter 1. Solar energy is the big dream, free power from the sun. Solar energy info. Solar energy can be used to heat water, heat a home and provide its electricity. Photovoltaic/PV units are set up in arrays of several or more modules called cells mounted either on the roof of a building or on the ground at 45-degree angles to maximize absorption from the sun. They absorb the heat and transfer it to storage batteries for electricity. PVs can either be totally PV or a PV/power grid hybrid. Beyond the panels, there are several other machines required to operate the system. Inverter, string combiner, overcurrent protector, batteries, charge regulators, disconnect switcher. Passive solar refers to the use of large windows and solariums to let heat into the house. There are new solar technologies being created all the time. Solar energy books are at number 333.7, number 697.78 and TK 1087 at the library. Solar energy organizations. energy.gov/energiesaver/passive-solar-homes. American Solar Energy Society. 2400 Central Avenue, Boulder, Colorado 80301. 303-443-3130. Fax 303-443-3212. Azaz.org/solar. Free catalog. Solar Energy Industries Association. 1111 North 19th St. Number 260. Arlington, Virginia 22209. 703-248-0707. Fax 703-248-0714. SEIA.org. Solar Energy Reports. Solar Rating and Certification Corp. 122C St. N.W. 4th FL. Washington, D.C. 20001. 202-383-2570. solar-rating.org. Colorado State University. Solar Energy Laboratory. FT. Collins, Colorado 80523. green.colorado.state.edu/research_area/solar-energy-research. energy.coloradostate.edu. nr.coloradostate.edu/laboratories/recs, Renewable Energy Conversion and Storage Laboratory. International Solar Energy Society. US Highway 190W. Killeen, Texas 76541. 817-526-1300. ICES.org. Solar Energy Industries Association. 236 Massachusetts Avenue, NE. Number 610. Washington, D.C. 20002. 202-543-8869. SEIA.org. Solar Living Institute. 13771 South Highway 101. POB 836. Hopland, California 95449. 707-744-2017. Fax 707-744-1682. SLE@solarliving.org. solarliving.org. Solar Energy Websites. solarliving.org/resources, Solar Living Institute. nrel.gov, a consumer's guide, get your power from the sun. AFFORDABLE-SOLAR.com. ALEO-SOLAR.de, supposedly the world's best solar panels. ALTERNATIVE-POWER.com. AlternativeZola.com. Another URL.com/therm/default. Azaz.org, American Solar Energy Society. AW.org, American Wind Energy Association. azsolarcenter.com/education.html, Solar Education Guide. Backhomemagazine.com. Backwoodssolar.com. builditsolar.com. Cansia.ca, Canadian Solar Industries Association. kpargus.co.za, Solar Panel Breakthrough. setsolar.com. chasepower.net. iamcountrysydemag.com. crest.org, Center for Renewable Energy and Sustainable Technology. eair.energy.gov/solar, Solar Energy Technologies. msolar.ee.berlin.de/address/html, Solar Energy on the web. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/photovoltaic, photovoltaic cells. energy.ca.gov. energy.gov. energystar.gov, energy ratings. findzola.com. homepower.com. howstuffworks.com/solar-cell.htm, how solar cells work. ircusa.org, Interstate Renewable Energy Council. ise.fhg.instituteprojects.self-solhouse.english.html, Solar House. ices.org, International Solar Energy Society. jrwhipple.com/sr/solheater, Solar Heater. lc-solar.com. motherearthnews.com. nabsep.org, North American Board of Certified Energy Practitioners. nanosola.com, focused on making solar electricity ubiquitous by delivering the world's most cost-efficient solar panels. nrel.gov, National Renewable Energy Labs. ostai.gov/phv, photovoltaic energy. renewableenergyaccess.com. csolarpower.com, see Solar Power. seia.org, Solar Energy Industries Association. seia.org/cs/about_solar_energy, about solar energy. sierrazola.com. solar.colorado.edu. solar3000.com. solaraccess.com. solarbuzz.com. solar-components.com. solarcooking.ca. solarcooking.org. solarcrete.com, Energy Efficient Buildings by SolarCrete. solardecathlon.org. soladirect.com. solarelectricpower.org. solarenergy.net. solarenergy.org, International Solar Energy Society. solarhaven.org. solarhouse.com. solarliving.org. solarnow.org. solaroven.net. solartoday.org. solidas.com, Solar Ideas Technology Development. stormrider140.com, Severe Weather Solar Panel. sunpowergeo.com. suntopway.com. the-mrea.org, Midwest Renewable Energy Association. ultimatesolarcharger.com. upe.ac.za, supposedly the world's best solar panels. State Solar Energy Chapters. The following are all state chapters of the American Solar Energy Society. All have information available to the public. American Solar Energy Society. 2400 Central Avenue, Boulder, Colorado 80301. 303-443-3130. Fax, 303-443-3212. azaz.org/solar. Alabama Solar Energy Chapter. POB 143. Huntsville, Alabama 35899. 205-837-4287. Fax, 205-837-4275. Arizona Solar Energy Chapter. POB 33675. Phoenix, Arizona 85067. Fax, 602-948-0912. Colorado Renewable Energy Society. 1075 East Bates Parkway, Englewood, Colorado 80110. 303-806-5317. Fax, 806-5317. crest.gen.co.us. Florida Solar Energy Center. 1679 Clear Lake Road. Cocoa, Florida 32922-5703. 407-638-1000. Fax, 407-638-1010. fscc.ucf.edu. Illinois Solar Energy Chapter. 1264 Harvest Court. Naperville, Illinois 60564. 630-420-1118. Midwest Renewable Energy Association. POG 249. 123 Main St. Amherst, Wisconsin 54406. 715-824-5166. Fax, 715-824-5399. the-mrea.org. Minnesota Solar Energy Chapter. 2928 5th Avenue South. Minneapolis, Minnesota 55408. 612-529-8171. Fax, 612-824-9387. New Mexico Solar Energy Association. POG 20004. Santa Fe, New Mexico 87501. 505-983-1006. North Carolina Solar Energy Chapter. POG 19473. Raleigh, North Carolina 27619. 919-832-7601. Fax, 919-785-1881. NE Sustainable Energy Association. 50 Miles St. Greenfield, Massachusetts 01301. 413-774-6051. nesa.org. Northern California Solar Energy Chapter. POB 3008. Berkeley, California 94703. 510-869-2759. ihpva.org/ncsca. Potomac Solar Energy Chapter. 138 Newburgh Avenue. Baltimore, Maryland 21228. 410-455-0451. Fax, 410-455-0451. Oregon Solar Energy Chapter. 205 SE Grand. Number 202. Portland, Oregon 97214. 503-231-5662. oecos.com/co. Sunrise Sustainable Resources Group. 2130 Chipmunk Drive. Carson City, Nevada 89704. 702-849-0852. Fax, 702-849-3471. Tennessee Solar Energy Chapter. 1407 Riverview Drive. Murfreesboro, Tennessee 37129. Texas Solar Energy Chapter. POG 1447. Austin, Texas 78767. 800-465-5049. Fax, 512-326-1785. txses.org/txses